It's the red and white wires here, like, oh, darn. Okay, so we got red and black. Okay, so red goes there, black goes there. Okay. And then, can we unscrew something here? Let's see, the red and black goes to that. So if we were to unscrew this micro switch, right, we should be able to remove or get this to come down just a hair further so I can get to the belt here and change it. Because you have to remove 1, 2, 3 screws to get this plate off, so I can get this belt off, and then I can replace the motor with one screw that well, there's 2 screws. One held it to, well, there's 3 screws. One's from the back side, one from the front side, and then one holds it elsewhere. Okay. Well, let's see here. Or maybe I can do it without, let's see, I've got a big enough hole. Yeah, I got a big enough hole. I can do this without doing that. How about, let's just do that. Let's do number 1 screwdriver. Can I get through here to there? Yeah, I can. Sure, let's do that. Okay, fine. Just here, that. And then this one here. Let's get a picture of this while we're thinking about it. Okay, so. Just drop the camera. Okay, and then just. I know. Let's see here. So, and then, okay, great. All right, so now just, yep. So that. Okay, and then, all right, so can we get this out with your fingers by chance? Oh, okay, now we get the magnet. Where'd the magnet go? Okay, so get another magnet. Okay, that's why we have multiple things. There we go, we got that one, got this one. Okay, so got that and this one. Wait, don't need that. Over here. Okay, so. Great, yay, I got that out. Okay, that over here, this over here, way over there, okay, great, and then we just pick this up, all right, there we go, and just leave that all right there, and then here is the belt. There's the belt, yay, so, can't believe that, happy little thing has been vibrating, moving along there. I did bring my belts with me and my measuring stick, so I'll just do that right here. Okay. So I like that, like this, and this one is measuring. Golly, this is measuring. A whole lot, like nearly 13.5. We'll take a picture. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Right. All right, so close enough, right? Okay, so now just, I'm in the shade, but I can still read it. Okay. So it's 13, but they say it takes a 9.5 belt, right? So I have my 2024 belts here. That's a new package. Okay, so I don't know if I brought enough belts with me, but let's see if I had a 9.5 or something similar. So well, wait, 9.5 will be like, okay, 4.5 is 9. What I need is something that's about a 12. And I measure something. Okay, so probably won't have in here, all right? Let's see here. Yeah, it's okay. You know what? I should have brought the other belts with me, but I didn't. Let's see here. That's a new one. I just got some of my. So this other. Like, there's another new bag. Yeah, this might have some larger ones in here. So here we go. Get those. And there's that. There's that. Okay, so those aren't. Okay, those aren't big enough. That's too big. That's going to be too big. So, and then I'm like, these are going to be too small. So, those are going to be too small. So, and that's going to be, okay, that's too small. This is, oh wow, that's pretty close. Let's see what we got here. Oops. Well, that's a bang on 12 right there, or 9.5 if they say, right? So I'd probably go with that one, right? It's a nice squarish belt. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, let's see, how much time have I got on this camera? I don't even know. 42? Okay, well, so I've got a belt, but I want to. All right, well, okay, so this could be a near size as well. That's smack on 12 right there. That should be identical to this one. Let's see here. Yeah, that's. You try measuring these things in the air. Okay, so. So these are two identical ones, right? So let me just measure them again for giggles. So here's this one. Lightly pulling it, that's 12, okay? And then this one here is also lightly pulling it. That's a fraction more than 12. Okay, so we will go with, well, alright, so let's see here, going back to this, that's the bigger one, right? This is lightly pulling it. Definitely 13.5 or something like that. Okay. Put that over there. Alright, so let's see here. So I got one belt, but I just want to see. Well, this one's closer to being too big. This is the right size. Let's see here. See if I have anything else. Okay, these are small. And these are, okay, these three are the same size. Let's see what size they are. Okay, so, oh, that's too big. That's way too big. So you're measuring two at one time. Okay, so yeah, that's way too big. Okay, way too big. And then, oh, the one good one that I had dropped. Right now, I'm kind of confused with what belt's what. Right now, that's too big. Alright, so, and then that's too big as well. So those are all too big, but they can go in something else that I have. Alright, so what was this one here? Because we're already, okay, so that's a 12. That's the, this is, okay. Alright, let's see here. So this one here is definitely a good one. I'm going to put this up over here, right? Okay, and then, because I have 5 more of these to go through, or 4 more after this one, okay? And, alright, well, okay. This is pretty much where I say stop, and, okay, because I might want to clean that off a little bit and have to play this backwards. I can understand where I'm at because I'm not happy with the size of belts or the selection of belts I have. I've got more belts in the room, but I need to go to the room and get them, and that makes me away from here, and then I want to poke around because I've got some other specific bags of other belts. I've got like 20 bags of belts, all in bags like this, not necessarily named or numbered, but they are somewhat sorted, and so that's what I may go do, right? So, but I hope to have this thing up and running by today, tonight, or tomorrow at the latest. But then I have to repeat this 4 more times. Okay? Alright, well, yeah, I'm going to sign off and say I've had too much fun. This is a good one here. That's a better one. But I want to see if I get one just a hair smaller than this one from the other room. Like I say, I have a container about this big, by that big, full of belts. Right, so hope y'all. Let's see. Let me see who's been in here watching me, because the other YouTube thing is gonna. The other YouTube camera is gonna be whatever. Alright, Master James, not Matt. Well, okay, thanks. Alright, well, let's see here. Live 2. Well, yeah. Intricate work there. Yeah, I know. That's all I ever do. Yep, as I've got those 2 over there, and I need to order more parts for those. I've got those couple of Iowas. I've got another 550, and underneath all this stuff is yet another 550. Here's that Sony. There's another Panasonic down there, and just Vicky Smith is watching. Hey Vicky. Alright, so I gotta go. Yeah, I just gotta go. I gotta take a break actually. I've been sitting here for 45 minutes or thereabouts. Alright, so I'm gonna hit finish. Thanks for watching. I'll finish this up later today. Good day, bye bye. Thanks for watching. signed off, and then people, oh my God, give me the camera. I'm about to fall out of my chair. Okay, there we go. So, yeah. Don't know how much of that all you've seen, but it's, 104 minutes. Wow. Well, okay, I've been doing this for far too long. It's been real. Thanks for watching. Here's my reel going up onto the thing. I'll post that reel because that's where I showed these few things. I just can't make a video of this stuff, alright? Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Trying to follow the instructions on the screen. I didn't watch his video, so this is me doing it. Good day, bye-bye.